Perfect, we just got to the property. So you can see there is some kind of leakage right here. We're gonna start listening with the hydrophones. There's leakage right all over here on this wall by the spa, all this area. There's definitely water here. We need to still determine where it's coming from. I think it's just coming from this lid right here. So we'll double check all that right now. The main concern at the moment is just that leakage by the spa in this area right here. So I'm about to listen with the hydrophones. Then pool equipment, everything's brand new. New heater. The union on the jet pump is leaking. It's leaking from the top. And then all this, it's new pool equipment. It's either, I think it's a brand new pool or remodel, either one. Service mode, they did a good job. We'll definitely start testing all this. This is all the valves are positioned. We'll go ahead and set them up and leave them the way they are too. We had the opportunity to actually pressure test this whole spa. We're actually already done. We did find the leak prior to pressure testing the whole spa, and what we noticed, you can see we're actually doing some dye tests. By the way, this pool is fairly new. We're doing some dye tests and it's going through, so you guys can see. And while he puts dye there, we're gonna go ahead and watch, and it's coming through here. And we're gonna wait. So you can see currently it's clear. We're gonna wait until it gets green. Oh, there it goes. It's coming from there. Look at that. Look at that right there. All that right there. So this whole tile right here, if you can go ahead and knock on it, Jesse. It's shallow, so all this needs to be replaced. So there you go. So all this tile, this all the way around the whole spa needs to be replaced. And that dye that he put in there too, it's coming out from that side over here too. You guys can see on this corner right over there. You guys can see. So remember, we only put dye up on top, and we're starting to see all this dye. Look at all the way around. Look at all the way around right there too, on that corner over there. So with customer complaint that the spa was losing water, we pressure test the whole spa, but it was just that the tiles need to be replaced and structured the right way. So here we have a structure tile leak. Give us a call if you have any questions, or if we can help out with anything. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.